Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to be a review of 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. 75 times 65 is our first example problem, and I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So step 1, we are going to multiply the digits in the ones place. We're going to multiply 5 times 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. Now because our product is more than 10, we will need to regroup. So we're going to put the 5 and 25 in the ones place, and then the 2 and 25, we're going to carry that over to the tens place. Next, we have to multiply 7 times 5, and the 2 that we carried over, we have to add that to our answer. So 7 times 5 equals 35. 35 plus 2 equals 37. So far we have multiplied 75 times 5. Next, we got to multiply the top 2 digits by the bottom digit in the tens place. Now before we do that, this is very important, we have to put a 0 in the ones place since both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied. So next we're going to multiply 5 times 6. 5 times 6 equals 30. Again, our product's more than 10, so we have to regroup. The 0 and 30 goes in the tens place. The 3 and 30 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 7 times 6 equals 42 plus 3 equals 45. So now we have to add these two numbers together to get our final answer. So 5 plus 0 equals 5, 7 plus 0 equals 7, 3 plus 5 equals 8. And there's no number in the thousands place, we assume it's a 0 there, so 0 plus 4 equals 4. And we have our final answer. 75 times 65 equals 4,875. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. Really helps the algorithm. Alright, moving on to the next example problem. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. It's the Mr. C. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. Shout out to Mr. C. Alright, next example problem. We have 82 times 38. So step 1, we are going to multiply the digits in the ones place. We are going to multiply 2 times 8. 2 times 8 equals 16. Because our product is more than 10, we do need to regroup. The 6 and 16 goes in the ones place. The 1 and 16 gets carried over to the tens place. 8 times 8 equals 64, plus 1 equals 65. So far we have multiplied 82 times 8. Next, we have to multiply the top 2 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. And since we already multiplied both digits in the ones place, we're going to put a 0 in the ones place. So 2 times 3 equals 6. Now we do not need to regroup because our product is less than 10. We only regroup when our product is 10 or more. 8 times 3 equals 24. So now to get our final answer, we have to add these two numbers together. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 5 plus 6 equals 11. 1, carry the 1. 6 plus 4 equals 10, plus 1 equals 11. Again, 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. And we have our final answer. 82 times 38 equals 3,116. All right, moving on to example number 3. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. Helps the algorithm. And please remember to subscribe if you have not already. All right, example problem number 3. Here we go. 91 times 59. So we start by multiplying the digits in the ones place. 1 times 9. Any number multiplied by 1, it's going to stay the same. 1 times 9 equals 9. 9 times 9 equals 81. So far we've multiplied 91 times 9. Next we have to multiply the top 2 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. Since we already multiplied the numbers in the ones place, we're going to put a 0 in the ones place. 1 times 5 equals 5. 9 times 5 equals 45. Now to get our final answer, we have to add these two numbers together. 9 plus 0 equals 9. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 8 plus 5 equals 13. 3 carry the 1. 1 plus 4 equals 5. And we have our final answer. 91 times 59 equals 5,369. All right, moving on to example number 4. All right, 84 times 69. So we start in the ones place. 4 times 9 equals 36. 6 carry the 3. 8 times 9 equals 72. Plus 3 equals 75. Next, we got to put a 0 in the ones place, since both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied. Now we are multiplying the top 2 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. 4 times 6 equals 24. 4, carry the 2. 8 times 6 equals 48, plus 2 equals 50. Next, we have to add these two numbers together to get our final answer. So 6 plus 0 equals 6. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 7 plus 0 equals 7. 0 plus 5 equals 5. And we have our final answer. 84 times 69 equals 5,796. All right, next example problem. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. Really helps the algorithm. All right, 73 times 49. So we start in the ones place. 3 times 9 equals 27. 7 carry the 2. 7 times 9 equals 63. Plus 2 equals 65. Next, we got to multiply the top 2 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. And we're putting a 0 in the ones place since both digits in the ones place have been multiplied. 3 times 4 equals 12. 2 carry the 1. 7 times 4 equals 28. Plus 1 equals 29. 7 plus 0 equals 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 6 plus 9 equals 15. 5 carry the 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. And we have our final answer. 73 times 49 equals 3,577. All right, stay tuned for the final example problem of the video. We're going to do one more example, and then we'll call it a video. All right, 93 times 78. 3 times 8 equals 24. 4 carry the 2. 9 times 8 equals 72. Plus 2 equals 74. Now we're going to put a 0 in the ones place since both digits in the ones place have been multiplied. And next, we multiply the top 2 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. 3 times 7 equals 21. 1 carry the 2. 9 times 7 equals 63. Plus 2 equals 65. Next, we are adding both numbers together. 4 plus 0 equals 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 7 plus 5 equals 12. 2 carry the 1. 1 plus 6 equals 7. And we have our final answer. 93 times 78 equals 7,254. All right, and that is my live stream for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I will try to do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri, signing off.